So guys, I'm stuck here. You see, I cannot take out my bike from there. I'm stuck there. At this place, no one is here. So I'm waiting till 1 hour now. No one is crossing this way. I was just trying some off-road here in this area. So totally inside now. Further there's a little bit more muddy place there. So I'll take from the trees that side. Let's see what happens. Let's see how long I have to wait here. So what I was doing here, I was just wanted to try some off-road here in these mountains. So I already covered that area before coming here. You cannot understand here how deep it is. It looks like a plain muddy place. But I don't have a total off-road tire for this. That's why maybe it's very muddy, soft. It comes to my knee here. So 1 hour 30 minutes now I'm stuck here. I tried many different ways here, but I'm stuck. Okay guys, I have some water to drink here, otherwise it will be very hard for me to cover. Still waiting for some help, but I cannot see any people here. It's so far away from a town. This area, no one passes. Okay, I'm here somewhere now. Means bike is stuck there. You see that? This mud is very hard here. In that area only some places it's very soft soil. That's why the bike goes totally inside there. Even the engine touches the ground there. And I checked all area from which way I will come back on the hard land here. And this land is also soft here, but from here it's very hard. So I'll have to take from the beside that trees. Even other side is soft there. This place from that corner is harder, and this area is totally soft. My feet are going inside here totally, you see. And we cannot understand if we see from the top. So I'm just trying to, okay, this area is a little bit harder. Okay, but I cannot take from this side because this is softer. You see here, it's totally, my feet are going under the water here, totally inside. Oh, I'm stuck here now. I cannot move. Oh. So this is the life of bikers. I'll have to grab my shoes inside. What? Okay, this side is little bit good enough. Okay, it's more 30 minutes now. Still no one is here. I'm still stuck here now. I'll climb that mountain some other day. Let's see if I can cross this. I just have to find a way, good way. Okay, waiting is the answer. Okay guys, someone is coming there. So I'll ask him for help. Oi! Okay, finally we have received our bike here after 1:45 minutes. I was stuck there and some guys helped me out. So this is the bike now. Look, total the engine also touched under the mud. I'll have to wash that. Look here. Okay, let's go home now. Okay guys, so I washed by myself here. Now it's done. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.